Hello, and welcome to the Creative Corner. Today we will learn to create a coffee character in Adobe Illustrator. Create a new project, and select the ellipse tool from the toolbar. Draw a circle. Select the Direct Selection tool from the toolbar or by pressing A on the keyboard. Click on the top path of circle, and drag it towards the center. Click on the bottom path of circle, and drag it away from the center. Adjust the paths to shape it like a cup. Select the ellipse tool again, and draw an ellipse to make the inner lining of a cup. Adjust it well. Select the pen tool and draw the zarf handle of cup. To learn more about the pen tool, check the link in description. Select the cup and double-click Fill to add color. After choosing a color, press OK. Turn the stroke off. Select the inner ellipse and add darker coffee color. Repeat the process to add colors. For zarf, turn the fill off and increase the stroke size. Now, we will add small little circles on ellipse to give it the foamy look, just like a real coffee. Select the pen tool, and draw arms and hand using it. Turn the fill off for arms. Repeat the same steps to add legs and feet of our character. Now, it's time to add face of our coffee cup. Select the ellipse tool and create a circle for eyes. Copy the circle by dragging it while holding the Alt button on the keyboard. Repeat the steps for the eyeballs. Stay focused, and follow the steps. It's easy and you can do it. Select all by pressing Ctrl+A, and group it by Ctrl+G. Add the background and yeah, we have done it. That's all for today. Hope you like it. Let me know in the comment section if you want to suggest a topic for video. Happy learning!